All right, let's dive into something that's happening behind the scenes at the Indiana State Fair, and trust me, it's way more fascinating than you might think. Here's the deal. The fair isn't just about corn dogs and Ferris wheels. It's a massive operation, and Michelle Coy Davis, the founder of Eclipse Staff and Security, is the mastermind behind keeping it all running smoothly. Personally, I think what makes this really interesting is how much thought and strategy goes into managing crowds, security, and cleanliness for a 15-day event. It's not just about showing up, it's about planning months in advance, and that's where Davis and her team shine. One thing that immediately stands out is the sheer scale of the operation. We're talking 170 employees per day, split shifts, and a schedule that runs from 6 a.m. to midnight. If you take a step back and think about it, that's a small army of people working tirelessly to ensure everyone has a good time. What many people don't realize is how challenging this can be, especially with the summer heat. Davis mentions hydration and snacks as key to success, which might sound simple, but it's a detail I find fascinating. It's the little things that often make the biggest difference in these high-pressure environments. Now, let's talk about the centralized command center. Eclipse is the only company in Indianapolis with this kind of facility, and it's a game changer. From my perspective, this isn't just about logistics, it's about control and efficiency. Having a single hub for decision-making and staff check-ins ensures everything runs like clockwork. What this really suggests is that Davis isn't just managing people, she's creating a system that's scalable and adaptable. That's the kind of forward thinking that sets successful businesses apart. Cleaning operations are another area where Eclipse excels. The fairgrounds supply the materials, but it's the Eclipse team that manages their storage and deployment. In my opinion, this is where the visitor experience is truly made or broken. A clean venue isn't just about aesthetics, it's about safety and comfort. What makes this really interesting is how Davis ties it all back to the visitor experience. She understands that a clean fairground isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for a successful event. Safety is another big focus, especially with prohibited items and peak attendance periods. Davis emphasizes education, which I think is a smart move. If you think about it, the fair does a great job of communicating what's allowed and what's not, but it's the staff's job to enforce it. This raises a deeper question. How do you balance security with a fun, welcoming atmosphere? From my perspective, it's all about preparation and communication. Davis and her team are clearly on top of it, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the fair without worrying about safety. But here's what really grabbed my attention: Davis's personal motivation. As a female business owner and mother of 2 daughters, she sees this contract as more than just a job. Personally, I think this is where the story gets truly inspiring. She's not just running a business, she's paving the way for the next generation of women. What this really suggests is that leadership isn't just about managing tasks, it's about setting an example. Davis is showing her daughters and anyone else watching that there's no limit to what you can achieve if you're willing to go after it. So, here's my closing thought. The Indiana State Fair is more than just an event. It's a testament to the power of planning, leadership, and vision. Michelle Coy Davis and her team at Eclipse are the unsung heroes making it all happen. If you take a step back and think about it, this is what makes large-scale events so impressive. It's not just about the attractions, it's about the people behind the scenes who make it all possible. And that, my friends, is something worth appreciating.